Is it recording? Oh, yes. Hey guys, what's up? We had this really bad storm the other day. It was like Friday night. I'm gonna show you guys why some of the damage. So yeah. Oh my gosh, this is like really bad. Seriously, it's like really bad. So yeah, I did this on Facebook too. Facebook Live. So yeah, this is like really bad. I mean, oh my god, it's just bad. Bad. Oh, excuse me. Okay, look. I'm gonna get the mail while I'm out too. My keys. So yeah, doing some laundry. See, what? 4 minutes left. So anyway, maybe it's running along the wheel. Let's see now. Oh, this is. So yeah, this is really bad. Go this way. I don't know if it's still there or not. I think it is. I don't know, whatever. But anyway, it was Friday, now it's Monday. July. It's Monday, July 24th, 2017. And the storm was Friday, July 22nd. The storm was July 22nd, 2017. And it is Monday, July 24th, 2017. So, yeah, let's see if this still there. Okay, here. Way out. Ugh. So yeah, we're gonna see you guys if it's still there. I don't know if it is or not. I think this is coming to get it. Huh. I don't know what they're doing. What the hell are they doing? I think they're coming to get the stuff from the storm. Or whatever. I don't know what. Imagine picking up stuff from that storm we had all the time. See, is it still there? Yes, it is. It's still there. See? Guys, see right here? Look at this. See this? Huh? Look at this. What is that? They don't get me? Whatever. See, look at this. This is from the storm we had the other day. See this? Huh? What are they doing over there anyway? Whatever. Guys, look at this. See, look. Can you see? I think it was hit by lightning or something. Or the wind. It's either lightning or wind, I'm not sure exactly. One of those two. See, look at that. See, that's where it broke off at. Right there, guys, see? Right there. See right there? See? So yeah, this was from that storm the other night. Huh? See it? You guys see this? Whoa, whoa. Huh? You guys see this? Look at this. See? See it? Right there too. See? See this? Are they gonna come and clean up or what? Or are they gonna leave it there? I don't know what they're gonna do. But I better get it soon. Hope they come and clean this up soon. They better, I mean. Look at this thing. Look at this thing, see? Can I see it? Okay, now let's go across the street and see what it looks like from across the street, shall we? We shall. Wow, 6 minutes already. Okay. Yeah. Let's just go across the street and see what it looks like from across the street. Okay, see? Looks like from here. I see right here too, see? See? Crazy. It's storm yesterday from Friday night. We had another storm, I think it was last night, Yeah, last night. So yeah, I don't know what's up with these storms lately, but jeez. They've been just crazy. I mean, seriously, this has been nuts. Guys, see where I can live. So yeah, well. Look, see? There's little pieces. Oh my god, this come all the way from across the street. Oh, holy crap. Did this come from all across the street? Oh my god. Oh, did it come from this tree? Oh, it doesn't look like it, because I don't see it been broken off or anything. So, did these little pieces, oh my god, these little pieces come from all the way across the street? Oh my god. Those little pieces come from there? Oh my god. That's crazy. Okay, crossing the street. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Better come and clean this up. That was that. So, yeah. That's just from that storm we had Friday night.